academic paragraph should look. In this short video, I will show you how to tell a paragraph with one glance. You can immediately tell if something is a paragraph. How do you tell? Well, this is how. First of all, the paragraph always has the name of the writer. In this case, the writer is Joe Bobcat. You usually also put the name of the course. This is ESL 321. A paragraph always has a title. Here it says, "This is the title of my paragraph." Not a very good title, but it's a title. And then with a green arrow, you can see that you indent, you push the first line of your paragraph in 5 spaces. Just hit the space bar 5 times, or you can hit the tab key. It's usually set to 5 spaces. And then the paragraph begins, and it goes on and on and on. Notice that the writer uses a period after the end of every sentence, and the writer begins the next sentence with a capital letter. At the end, the person puts his concluding sentence. That's a paragraph, and I can tell by looking at it without even reading it. Here are some rules for paragraphs. Very simple rules. They are: your homework and assignments must be typed. You can't handwrite them. You must type them on a computer and save them with a file name. You must put your name on all your assignments. Always give your paragraph a title. A title is usually just a few words, not a sentence. A paragraph must begin with a topic sentence. Give plenty of examples to support your topic sentence. Most people use at least 3. Your concluding sentence often begins with words like "in conclusion" or "to conclude" or "all in all," or many other words. Punctuation in a paragraph. We will do a lot of work on punctuation in this class, but to start with, here are 3 points. Point number 1. Start every new sentence with a capital letter. Capital A, capital B, capital C, and so on. End every sentence with a period or another final punctuation mark, such as an exclamation point or a question mark. And after these, we always begin the next sentence with a capital letter. Use a comma in front of the conjunctions and, but, and so, and several others. We will study those more later on in this course. We'll work more on punctuation and capitalization in this class. Punctuation really is absolutely necessary for people to understand what you write. Thank you very much, and that's the end of this little video.